wondering, what's all this stuff in front of you? Well, it's the contents of my Conde Black Box, of course. It's that time of year again. That's right. We got the Conde Black Box. Spend $250 and you get a free Conde Black Box. Now, this Conde Black Box is a $225 value. That's right. You get all of these wonderful substrates plus some amazing artwork. Go ahead, give us a call at 1-800-826-6332 or check out Conde.com for all your information. Black Box comes with your classic skinny tumbler. It comes with a white stainless steel travel mug, the SS Mug 15-W. That's right. It comes with a lot of products. We got a 10-pack of our hand sanitizer holders. These are great products to have on you. We got a lot of bag tags, ornaments. Yep, they're in there too. Chromolux. We got some Chromolux, a little piece of Chromolux in there for you. We've got a Mako parking sign style sign with holes in it. That's right. We got huggers in here. We've got bottle openers. You want that? And it is that time of year. We've got lots and lots of ornaments in here for you to sample, try out. We've got pet products, tags, leashes, collars, shirts. You're going to want to check out our pet shirts. These things are absolutely amazing. That's right. Give us a call at 1-800-826-6332. Check out Conde.com. The Black Box is now live.